Hi, I'm Gabriel with Aving News. We're here at H2 Meet 2024 in Seoul, South Korea. Hi there. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Andrea Pusceddu. I am a business developer for hydrogen for IMI Vivo, which is one of the brand of IMI PLC, which is a UK company.
And so you just got off stage
Yes.
about 2 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Could you let us know what you talked about or highlight something from the presentation?
Yes, I talked about the IMI proposition for hydrogen. We have many products, too many to squeeze in few minutes.
Okay.
So I focus especially on our hydrogen electrolyzer, which is our latest product. It's a containerized electrolyzer, so a machine that basically will produce hydrogen.
Okay.
And but it's not a plant. It's something that you can transport easily on a large skid. And what I focused more was the fact that we are new in this business, but we come from decades of experience in the oil and gas application. So we come to refineries, and refineries deal with gas like hydrogen and even worse in terms of safety issues. And I focus my presentation about what we do to guarantee and to understand the safety of our design.
Right. It seems to be mostly about safety.
Yes,
Right.
safety and but also general introduction about our product. But yes, safety, it's an important aspect for hydrogen because there are not so many applications in civil zones like hydrogen which have this type of implication for safety. So we understand that customer and the end user want to be made sure, let me say, and confident in the design. And you do this with high-end engineering, as we do.
How has the response been so far at H2 Meet?
The response was good.
Yeah.
Was good. It's my second time at H2 Meet, and I did a presentation 2 years ago. And of course, you notice that in 2 years, probably there is now a more pragmatic approach to the hydrogen. Let me say, 2 years ago was probably the H2 Meet of the expectation. Mm-hmm. Now is the time when we are delivering.
Right. Practical stuff. This
Yes,
is working
practical
now. It's
stuff.
not just in the
Yes,
idea phase.
Exactly. So, for example, my presentation, I explained how we changed the design to make it easier to be certified by Health and Safety Authority locally. Something probably initially you don't think about this. You think just about the big numbers, but then you have to transform the big number in something that you have to apply really.
Yep. That's really interesting. So, have you noticed any trends this year that maybe weren't present last year?
Yeah, no, the trends in that case, you don't see the big projects, but we are having discussion with some relatively small size project, which is the niche where we are focusing. So again, we are going more on the details rather on the big planning, and I think it's good because maybe it may sound a bit less exciting at first glance, but in theory, in practice, this means that hydrogen is becoming real and not again the next big thing.
Right. Not a promise
Yes,
of
not
the
anymore,
next new technology.
Not anymore, because
Okay.
we have had these promises many times.
Yeah.
Okay, and this time has to be true.
Right. So when you come to something like H-Meet,
Yeah.
does the exposure to the people and the ideas change the direction of how you approach your products?
Totally, yes. The truth is that anytime we understand and we think we have a new idea about changing something big or even something small in the product is because you have interaction. You understand what people are looking for, what people are asking, what are their concerns. And my presentation was an attempt to address those type of concerns in safety. And to be honest, this is 10 times much more valuable than any market research you can buy online.
Something about being in the same space,
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
Seeing the presentations
Yes,
or the products
absolutely.
themselves.
Absolutely, yes.
Interesting. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I appreciate all the info. That was
Thank
very
you.
insightful. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm Gabriel, Aving News. See you next time.